Hi. Welcome to Future Technos. I was thinking about my gear the other day. Then it hit me. I've had the Nikon Z8 for over a year now. Usually, I'd have already made a video about it. But life, YouTube, and 100 other distractions got in the way. So here we are. Let's talk about my 1-year experience with the Nikon Z8. I bought the Z8 for one main reason. I love the Nikon Z9's image output. The Z8 has the same internals, the same sensor, and the same processing. In practice, I can't see a difference. That was the goal, get Z9 quality images in another body. But it's not just that simple. That one reason branches out into smaller reasons. Let's go through them. First, image continuity. When I'm shooting with both cameras, whether for YouTube or client work, I get identical results. The editing process feels the same. The colors, the sharpness, the way the files behave, all the same. That's a big deal. Second, output longevity. I love the Z9, and I want it to last. Since it's all electronic shutter, its lifespan is still a bit of a mystery. Using the Z8 for some of my work takes pressure off my Z9. That way, I can hopefully keep it running for years, maybe until Nikon makes a Z99. Third, the YouTube gear reality. Technically, you can create content with very little gear. But if you want flexibility and consistency, more cameras make life easier. I need at least 3 cameras to keep the look and feel of my videos consistent. So if I'm buying another camera anyway, why not get one that matches my favorite? Fourth, Nikon's mirrorless history. Let's be honest, they didn't get everything right in the early days. The image quality has always been great, but the performance of many models lagged behind what people expected from mirrorless. At the time I bought the Z8, only the Z8 and Z9 fully delivered on both speed and image quality. Mixing those with older models, like my Z6 II, worked, but it wasn't seamless. Now, with 2 matching performers, my workflow feels smoother. Fifth, macro work. I love shooting macro. The Z8's smaller size makes it nicer to use on a tripod. The Z9 works fine, but if I can get the same results from a lighter body, I'll take that win. And sixth, price. All of these benefits, for less money than a second Z9. It was an easy choice. When I add it all up, the Z8 has done exactly what I bought it to do. It met my expectations. It didn't exceed them, but that's not a bad thing. I went into this knowing exactly what it was, and that's exactly what I got. The Z9 blew my mind when I first used it. The Z8 didn't shock me because I already knew what to expect. If you're used to Nikon's older mirrorless cameras, the Z8 will probably surprise you.